Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw an Among Us crewmate. It's very, very easy. We're gonna go over the battle damaged version of this crewmate. It's a fun video. It's short. It's roughly about 8 minutes. So in 8 minutes, you'll have all this knowledge in your mind and you'll remember it forever. So stick around for the entire video. Well, let's hop right into it right now. Before that though, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you like these kind of drawing videos, then let's hop right into the lesson. Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a crewmate and kind of a battle damaged one and a more battle damaged one. Let's go over it. It's going to be fun and it's super easy, so follow along with me, okay? I love Among Us, by the way. Definitely stick around to the very end and you'll hear kind of what I have to say all the way to the end and you'll learn it. You'll learn this whole process. So right here, we're going to go over here and curve over here for the top of the crewmate's, kind of the top of the lens. Gonna go right here, curve along the side right here. Just a very simple curve along the side. Go over here on this side as well. Curve over here. And go underneath as well. Everything's like a slight curve. Looks a little bit like a pillow, like a chubby square or something like that. Very simple, right? I'm gonna go right here and kind of find the forehead. Curve right there. Find the top of the head. Curve back. Gonna pull over here and I'm gonna pull it down. And now I'm gonna find a straight line down for the front side of the body here. Curve over here, he's got these like pillow-like legs. Pulling up. And pulling in front for his lower body. Down right here. The other pillow-like leg. So remember, this character, obviously these crewmates, they're really, very simple. Very simple, very pillow-like. It reminds me, again, of pillows stuck together. Let's go over here. So about halfway through here, we're going to go back. It's going to be the top of the backpack. And over here around the lower waist, it's going to be the bottom of the backpack. I'm going to go back here. I think it's like an oxygen bag, right? Down, right there. It looks like a bun. It looks like he literally has like a piece of bread on his back. I'm gonna go over here, curvature, for kind of the the reflective part of that glassy part, and I'm gonna draw a circle right here. You can go more all out with it if you want. You can maybe draw this line a little like wobbly, maybe fill that in with dark, right, to kind of give it. But you don't need to do this stuff. This is all bonus stuff. So let's just say he's damaged 20%. Let's say I'm gonna pull 20%. What would he look like, right? 20% damage. I am gonna do this kind of thing where he's gonna have like a scar across his chest, and same thing over here as well. Scar across his chest over here on this side. Maybe like a line across here and there. It's like kind of like a big old scar, like somebody whipped him, somebody hit him. I would say that's like, to me, that's like 20%. I'm gonna draw a line over here. 20% damage, right? What would like 90% look like, right? I mean, you have an idea, right? They've shown in the game. So, excuse me. Sorry, I got a little bit of a cough here. Don't forget to hit the like if you like Among Us, if you like the lesson. Supports the channel. It does so much for the channel. Like, I mean, it does so much for the algorithm. I want to thank you very much for watching. Again, you guys are amazing. All right, so let's go over here. Let's just say somebody cuts them in half, right? That would probably be like 90%, if not 100%. So line over here. Down right here, kind of to the leg. Curve underneath here, and then pull up. Line underneath. And let's go over here and find the lower part of the backpack. Okay. Let's go over here on this side now. And go down. We're going to find that other pillow-like leg. Up over here. But this guy's cut in half, right? So what would that look like, right? We've seen it. So over here, like something whipped him across. Let's draw a zigzag line right here. And maybe over here as well, like another zigzag line. Right? And then we're going to draw that bone that they have. This is a straight line here, straight line here, curve right here, and right here. Almost looks like a heart, but in reality, it's like a bone, right? That's the whole idea, even though it's anatomically incorrect. But for these guys, it is. You've seen it all over the place. And I would say, what would this be, like 90? This would be like 99%, right? If not, I mean, let's say 9. Would it be 90? I don't know. What do you think? Let me know in the comments section. What do you think? I'm going to write 90% here. Or some, you know, I guess you could make an argument that it is 100%. And so let's make this a little bit more sticker-like. So I'm going to actually create a thickness around the outside, just the outside line. Curve down right over here. Down over here on this side. Curvature. Curvature on this side. Line over here, line here. Downward. Just making this kind of like more sticker-like, so it's more presentable. Don't forget, we have cool coloring books. Go take a look at that. They are on Amazon. They are all different types, and I think you will love a lot of them. Okay, so go take a look at those. Line over here. Let's go over here on this side, and we're gonna do the exact same thing to him. On this 20% damage, we're gonna draw a thicker line just around the outside to make it more presentable. How long have you been an Among Us fan? It's been years, right? I think Among Us was one of the very first things that kind of got me more viewed by a lot of people, but kind of drawing that like a couple years ago. It's been like 3 years now, right? Let me know how long you've been kind of watching Among Us. And if you have any requests for a drawing lesson, I will do that. I will put the playlist as well in the description. Take a look at that. That playlist is really cool. Has, I think, over 50 tutorials on how to draw Among Us characters in many different positions and kind of poses and scenarios. So if there's one that you don't think you can find, let me know. I actually think this lens could be a little bit thicker. But other than that, pick up the free stuff in the description. There's a bunch of free stuff. There's a free How to Draw Cute ebook. If you've always wanted to draw something cute, the good part is you can draw it. It's really simple. It's not even like a learning... It's not even like something you practice, because you do have to practice it, but I mean, it's really just something you have to know. Like, what is the proportion of the head to make something look cute, right? As a proportion to the eyes, as a proportion to the mouth. And I just put it in chart form. Very, very simple, incredibly simple chart form for you to follow. And the cool part is when you look at that, you'll like never forget it. It's like impossible. It's always going to be with you. And it's 100% free. So you got to find that in the description there, that ebook. But yeah, hopefully you do. And yeah, pick that up. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Maybe give me some other ideas and say hi to me. I'm very reachable. Okay, guys. Talk to you later, and I'll see you very, very soon. And I'll yeah, have a good one. This is Sketch Monster signing out.